Okay, so in this video, I need to find a new daily driver. This is an ugly truck. This is one I thought I could tow that crawler over there with, everything. And then this was once my daily driver truck, but now the engine's hydro-locked and it won't start. And also, I think the drive shaft's broken. So I need to find a new daily driver car. So let's go Control E. Should I do a van or should I just drive around the tow truck? Or no, the tow truck's kind of just meant for towing. I could do a Jeep. What's in this? I mean, I could do a fire chief. I'm not sure. What is this? I don't know. Ooh, hard decision. I could do one of these. This is like too flimsy to go off-road and stuff. I could do van. I think I might do a Jeep. This Jeep. Or no, this one's the good one. Yes, this is new. This is the new daily driver car. I wish I had a tow. Whoa, okay. It's gonna start doing, it's gonna start rolling. Oh shit, let's see if I can make it. Let's see if I can make it roll. Oh, what was that? That didn't sound good. Oh, I broke the axle. Brand new Jeep. Okay. Good drive off the bus. I have a snorkel, so this one can't. Oh, maybe I can push this down. Push my old blue truck out with this and then bring a tow truck that should never be turning that much. This time I'm doing the off-road one. I want to do a Jeep, that's for sure. There we go. There, this one isn't as crazy as that other one, so now it doesn't have a front bumper. It does, just not like that one. At least try and get it. So, come on. Yes! Just move, Jake, come on. Yep, the front bumper's dented in. Come on. Dang it. Okay, that's not gonna happen. Yeah, so this hood is destroyed. Tow truck's fine. Police car is hydro-locked. Broken axle. Fine. But a dented front bumper, and that's it. Is there a road anywhere? Yep. Let's get this on the road and then I'm gonna go pick it up with my tow truck. Does this have roll cage? Do not think so, no. Oh, there, the hood just popped up. I'm gonna ruin the front of this Jeep. Pretty good front bumper. Come on. That should be easier because there's less weight, and there we go. Now let's back up and push it towards the road. Okay, come on. Back up. Oh, it's stuck. That's a glitch. This game was released in 2015. I think they made an update in 2019. Oh my gosh. Oh, there goes a fender. Okay, there goes the window. Get the fender off. Unconnect the fender, dang it. Okay. Oh, no, no. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Crawling up into the bed should not be happening at all. There we go. Oof. This Jeep is still fine. Just the outside's a little dented. That's good. Let's drive this Jeep up to go get a tow truck down here. Okay, it's just the same road as the black police truck. Turn the engine off. There it is. Oh yeah, engine. No more parking brake, yeah. The steering wheel inside of this thing is massive. Look at that. Jeez, like, how do you even fit your legs under that? There's like barely any room. Oh, there's the road. Oh, no, rock. Jeez, dang, the front right tire busted. Burst. Dang it. Dang it. Stupid toad. Dang it. I'll have to get that repaired. Okay, where's the truck? Is it back there? Oh yeah, it's up more. Nothing's wrong but the front right tires. When I get onto the road with this busted tire, there's a new parking for sure. Come on. I gotta get this lined up pretty good. So I'm not gonna have it touch the ground. It's actually really raise the truck up as much as possible. It's pretty high. There we go. Okay, that's all I need. Okay, I could probably have it pushed up. Actually, I should probably sneak under it. Just get lowered. How am I gonna fix that? It's not on the ground. So if I'm on a level surface, it's still not. Extend control page up. That's what I'm doing. How the... I'm not gonna be able to get that up. There we go. Right there. Jeep here. Oh yeah. Whoa, okay. How is that fender still on there? How one of these tires not been popped? I guess they're off-road tires. Is the parking brake on this? No. Okay, great. Great. It's just my weak Jeep. Okay, when I get another car, I'll start recording again, but right now this is not working.